Hi guys, this is Mary with WTI, and if you're looking for a magnetic band for your Apple Watch, then maybe you want to check the Geoumy magnetic band. I got this band, which is the gold band, and it comes with also with a screen protector, which is this one, which matches perfectly the color. This is the gold color. I really like this band because one, I can use it with I'm wearing something formal. That's actually the reason why I bought it, because if you get the regular ones, I usually use that for daily basis, but when I have to go to a party or something a little bit more formal, I want to still wear my watch, but that still looks good and according the clothes I'm wearing. So that's what I bought this one, and it's perfect. It was working very good. I've been using it for so long. It's easy to use. This is the way the band looks in here when you're wearing it. It looks very nice, and to remove it is also super easy. You just press the back of your watch and that's it. It's a very nice color, very comfortable to use and pretty. So I recommend you to try this magnetic band for your Apple Watch if you're looking for something nice, comfortable, and easy to use. But this is just my point of view.